Today I will guide you how to sign in to your BIGO Live account on Android. For that you need to open the BIGO Live application. Once you reach on the section, you can see the variety of options or the ways to sign in. You can sign in with phone, Facebook, Google, Twitter and Apple. For now, let's tap in sign in with phone option. Here you will be required to enter your country or region and the phone number. After that, tap on the next button. Here you need to enter the password in order to log in. If you want to double check the password, you can tap on the I like icon beside it and easily double check it. If you forget password, tap on forget password link and easily reset from there. Now let's tap on login button here. So there you go guys, you have already been logged into your BIGO Live account on Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.